For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
Established by Maxim Blagov and Vitek Radomski in 2009, ENJIN was constructed essentially to serve the gaming local area. It was a stage when this present reality had gotten critical force in video gaming, and online mediums had turned into a prevailing fashion. At first, to construct a strong groundwork and to produce reserves, the endeavor sent off an underlying coin offering, ICO, raising about $18.9 million by offering ENJ tokens to fabricate its new blockchain. Thus ENJIN went live in 2018. ENJIN coin cost forecast has been referenced here exhaustively. Right from non-fungible tokens, NFTs, to computerized vouchers spreading their wings to products, the ENJIN biological system is focused on serving a far-reaching local area that could use the multi-chain benefits across various computer games as well. Building qualities from quality item contributions, existing local area of clients and key organizations with driving brands, and intrinsic openness to the quickly developing NFT market, ENJIN coin guaranteed it made a computerized domain around itself and made its presence felt across all stages from PC to portable. ENJIN, catching up speed. Devoting its main goal to give versatile, decentralized, cross-chain organization, ENJIN cost expectation has been, since its origin, working completely to the advantage of clients absorbing all benefits of ENJIN coin, the local tokens in a wallet. This further worked with crypto exchanges. Being based on Ethereum and gaining by the consolidated benefits of Bitcoin and Ethereum, ENJIN coin guarantees perfectly clear straightforwardness and complete exchange privacy in the organization. The whole structure of ENJIN is so reliant upon zero divulgence proof, consequently permitting numerical consistency of the whole exchange system, so the interest of gamers is constantly secured. A consistent and bother-free exchange for gamers puts the power at last in the client's hands. Being based on a blockchain-empowered stage, ENJIN coin, ENJ, can trap fake or deceptive exchanges with no bottlenecks or preventions caused to the gamers and their product. Its establishment is solid on the numerical consistency of the whole blockchain. ENJIN coin, ENJ, an identity makeover. ENJIN has embraced the laborious undertaking of improving the brand to have the brand personality set up. Working alongside the most perplexing mechanical stages, ENJIN Corporate is proactive in web-based entertainment, placing in forceful reports covering extremely significant gaming subjects, teaching the clients. ENJIN coin goes about as a platform for financial discussions, giving voice to its customer base over the globe, making a huge effect on different industry portions with a unique spotlight on gaming. Seeking after the sole mission of mass reception, ENJIN has fortified its foundations with arrangements in charge. It has led arrangements that address the need of great importance in the crypto local area, zeroing in on decentralized applications and making associations going past geologies. ENJIN coin forecast, market sentiment. ENJIN token is a superb long-haul instrument for speculation. In light of ENJ cost expectation, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost visualization for 2026 is $15.295. With a 5-year venture, the income is supposed to be around plus 600%. The ENJIN coin, ENJ, cost is waged to reach $2.45187 by the start of 2022. The normal greatest ENJ value expectation is $3.06484, and the base cost is around $2.08409. The ENJIN coin cost expectation for the month's end is $2.45187. Numerous ENJIN coin, ENJ, cost forecasts have been made, and assuming the local area centers around limiting the exchange expenses, the ENJ cost might heighten. The ENJ cost might hit $2.913, making it a beneficial venture before the finish of 2022. As per our venture exhortation, the ENJ is one of the cryptos which is perfect for a long-haul speculation. The momentary ENJIN coin estimate will be negative until the breakout. However, it has a decent possibility coming to $3.80 this year. At present, The exchanging cost of ENJIN coin weights around $2.79 with a market capitalization of $2,371,028,684.77 with a circling supply of 846,734,705 ENJ now and a 24 hours exchanging volume of $271,110,304.03 in the crypto market. From the start of this current year, the cost of ENJIN coin, ENJ, denoted a huge meeting till April. However, practically all cryptographic forms of money confronted a market slump after that. Be that as it may, the ENJ crypto recovered the lost force, and presently, it exchanges around the $2.79 mark. According to the ongoing ATH, all-time high, and ENJIN coin cost expectation 2022, its future qualities could stay over its essential opposition level of $4. ENJIN coin price prediction 2022. Keeping up couple with a similar bullish pattern, there are expectations that ENJIN coin is ready for a rise even in the year next, i.e., 2023. Following the moving example of ENJ-USD, particularly the way things are exchanging, it is clear that ENJIN coin, ENJ, cost will run parallelly on a similar bullish pattern keeps contacting its significant obstruction level of $4.50. This cost would be close to the ongoing all-time excessive cost. ENJIN coin price prediction 2023. Going by concentrating on more limited and longer cost patterns, almost certainly, the finish of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be ideal for ENJIN coin according to our negative market cost expectation. There is an anticipated possibility of ENJIN coin cost causing a benefit to $5.60. ENJIN coin price prediction 2024. There is no such thing as in view of verifiable information and our own exploration, expressing that a stunning chance and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is by and by expected that ENJIN coin will govern the digital money market with an exhibition representing things to come cost fixed at $6.70. This is comparable to the very that was anticipated toward the finish of the last year, which shows ENJIN coin can possibly support as well as reliably fill even in antagonistic states of the crypto and blockchain industry. ENJIN coin price prediction 2025. As indicated by our specialized investigation and ENJ cost expectation, this year could stamp as the benchmark year as ENJIN coin's tradish team is anticipated to outperform $7.60 definitely. Principally in light of the fact that this year, no critical variables like pandemic or downturn are supposed to shake the foundations of world economies, and it is normal that the majority of the harm done would be making a course for fixed work and monetary resources alongside computerized reality resources. ENJIN coin price prediction 2026. The cryptographic money value